Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter number 1, Matrices and Determinant, exercise 1.3, question number 6 to 8. Question number 6, if A and B matrices are given, then find the value of 3A minus 2B, and second part 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. First of all, we solve the first part, 3A minus 2B. There is a scalar product, 3 is multiplied with the matrix A and 2 is multiplied with the matrix B. Multiply with each entry is 3 multiplied by 1 3, 3 multiplied by 2 6, 3 multiplied by 3 9, 3 4s are 12, and 2 multiplied by second matrix, 2 zeros are 0, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are minus 6, 2 8s are 16. Now subtract, all the corresponding entries are subtracted with each other. 3 minus 0, minus 6 minus 14, 9 minus minus 6, 12 minus 16. It is equal to 3 minus 20 first row, 15 minus 4 second row. Now the second part, 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. First of all, we take the transpose. In transpose, rows are changed into column 1 and 3, and 2 minus 2 and 4 is the second row, and 0 and minus 3 is the first row, 7 and 8 is the second row. Now multiply with 2 and 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are minus 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Now subtract these values. For the subtraction, corresponding entries are subtracted to each other. 2 minus 0, 6 minus minus 9, minus 4 minus 21, 8 minus 24. It is equal to 215 first row, minus 25 minus 16 is the second row. Question number 7, if the 2 multiplied by matrix plus 3 multiplied by matrix plus is equal to 7 and 10, 18 and 1, find the value of A and B. First of all, multiply these terms and solve it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are minus 6, and 2 A's are A. 3 1s are 3, 3 B's are 3B, 3 8s are 24, and 3 4s are minus 12. Now add these terms. 4 plus 3, 8 plus 3B, minus 6 plus 24, 2A minus 12. By equating the left hand side, we have it is equal to 7 and 10 first row, 8 and 18 and 1 second row. Now by comparing the corresponding elements, 8 plus 3B is equal to 10, solve it. 3B is equal to 10 minus 8, it is equal to 3B is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2 by 3. Now equating the second element, 2A minus 12 is equal to 1, 2A is equal to 1 plus 12, it is equal to 13, and A is equal to 13 by 2. Question number 8, A and B are given, then verify. A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. First of all, we solve the bracket value, find the value of A plus B. Add these matrices, it is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 0. It is equal to 2 3 first row, 2 and 1 second row. Take it transpose. In transpose, 2 2 and 1 3 is the given. Now solve the right hand side, A transpose plus B transpose. In this form, first of all, we take the transpose and then add. 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1 is the transpose, and 1 2 and 1 0 is the transpose. Now add these terms, it is equal to 2 2 3 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the second, proof that A plus A transpose is a symmetric. Solve this. A plus A transpose, first of all take the transpose of A matrix and then add with A, and it is equal to 2 2 first row, 2 2 second row. Now take again its transpose. The transpose is equal to again A plus A transpose, so it is a symmetric matrix. The third part, prove that A minus A transpose is the skew symmetric. Find the value of A minus A transpose, subtract these values, it is equal to 0, 2, minus 2 and 0, then take its again transpose. In this transpose, it equal to 0, minus 2, 2 and 0, so it take a negative sign as a common, so it is equal to again A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose is equal to A minus A transpose, so it is called the skew symmetric.